Hello friends, this is a dual sink with sensors. So the drain part is there and you put your hand and you get water. The unique thing about this is it mixes hot and cold, so you don't have to actually pull any levers or do anything. You just put your hands and you get a steady stream of warm water. Now what controls this is a part underneath, a mixing system that in my mind is kind of complex, and the reason it's complex is because it has sensors up here in this that reads the water pressure and mixes it, but it works with solenoids, electrical wires and a transformer, as well as the typical tubing and whatever necessary for water to reach. Now look at where that socket is. It's kind of crazy because all of this is water right around here. So I don't know about the thinking of that or if that's standard, but I wouldn't recommend putting anything electrical right next to water, because for instance, if this is dripping, it's going to drip right into that socket, causing a hazard. Now the other thing about this is that if anything goes wrong, it starts not reading the sensor, so you put your hand and you're not getting water, these two units here is what you would need to check. You could take out the knot from here, which is not easy. I would use a plumber's T-wrench, or I use a channel spanner. And inside here is a seal that probably needs to be replaced. Now watch when you're taking that out, because it has a spring and a little piece of metal. It needs to go back in exactly the same way. And that seal, if it is leaking, would cause water to drip out here. The other thing that I noticed is that when these things are not working, this part here, the water will just keep on. So lots of things to check on this. It's not so simple as just your typical tap. Tell me what you think in the comments area.